Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be working on my rig today. A bunch of stuff needs to get done. Got some events coming up, and obviously we're looking great with certain things. So we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of maintenance type of stuff, fixing a couple things that we need to take care of, and yeah, let's get to work. And then brake pads in our rotor. I roached the back left rotor, ran it down too far, wasn't paying attention to it, and the rotor's almost gone. So we're gonna swap this out first. So let's start with that. Well, I suck and let that go for way too long. That one's almost gone, that one's completely gone, and the piston is exploded on the caliper. So I think I just exploded that, but gotta get a new caliper too. Pretty gone. New caliper, throw it on. New rotor, new caliper, new brake pads. Gotta bleed the brakes, but put the tire back on. I'm gonna swap out the pads on this side. Not much left on this side either. All right, so broke the winch lines front and rear. So I'm gonna use this and remake the end real quick and move to the rear. Got the front done, hooked back up. Let's do the rear. All right, so the rear just broke the lube at the bottom, so I pulled it apart and cut it, and now I'm going to build this one. Alright, so this is pretty easy to do. You have This part that threads into this part, you just shove the rope in there, and then that kind of holds the rope. And then from there, you go through the rope and then inside the rope. All right, so go through the rope. Pretty simple, you just literally go through the rope until your loop is where you want it. And then I like to go through the rope again to kind of lock it in place. And then you just go inside of itself. You just kind of squish it, it opens up. Now it's in the middle, and then you just run it up. When you get close to going far enough, you pop it back out. And then it just kind of sucks itself back in, and that's what holds it. Come back out with this side, open it up, pull it out, and then work it back in. Just like that. Good to go. Cut. All right, I'm going to pull the transfer cases out and go through them. It's been a lot of abuse on them, so I just want to make sure everything's looking good, and yeah, so let's get to it. All right, got the 300 out. We're gonna pop it open. The rear shifter was getting stuck in high two-wheel drive. So let's see what's going on there, see if we can figure out how to fix it. Transfer case side look good. Let's pull the shifter out and check out the spring and detent. Well, it looks like somehow we found a messed up spring and a little bit short. So put the new spring in there and it should be good. everything else is looking really good, so we're gonna put it back together. All right, slap it all back together, slap the shifters on, and it shifts nicely. So let's tear the shifters down and put it back in the rig.